Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So today we solve a get previous year question which came into get 2024. So the question is, consider a system with 5 bit represent the signed integer in two's complement format. So signed integer in two's complement format. So in this system, two integer a b represent as a as 0 1 0 1 0 and b as 1 1 0 1 0. Which one of the following results occurs an arithmetic overflow or underflow? A plus b, b minus a minus b, or 2 into b. So for this type of question, so this is known as two's complement format and sign two's complement format. So sign two's complement format. So a is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 and b is equal to double 1 0 1 0. So for the first bit checking, so if the two's complement format, so first bit is 0, so represents the positive number. Then the number is 0 1 2 3 means 2 to the power 3 means 8 and 2 to the power 1 means 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 1 means positive. 8 plus 2 means the number is positive 10, and the first bit is negative. Once means negative, so this is the negative number. So we do the two's complements of these numbers and getting back the number. So we know this number is negative, so the we apply the two's complements method. So two's complement method means we have to do the first complement. So for ones replace with 0 and 0 replace with 1. So 0 0 1 0 1, and lastly two's complements means adding plus 1. So if we add plus 1, so we get 0, then we get 1 1 0 0. So this is the number. So this the first bit is represent minus or negative, and then 0 1 2 3. So this represents minus 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 means minus 4 plus 2. So the b number is minus 6. So for 5 bit represents in in 2's complement, the range is between minus 2 to the power 4 to positive 2 to the power 4 minus 1. So the range is 2 to the power 4 means minus 16 to plus 15. So the range is between plus 15 to minus 16 to plus 15. So we have to perform this operation to the a and b numbers and check if it falls between this range, then overflow underflow is not occur. If not falls, then overflow underflow occur. So we go one by one. So a is 10 positive 10 and b is minus 6. So positive 10 plus minus 6, we get positive 4. So this is not occur the overflow or underflow. So b minus a, b means minus 6 minus a is 10. So we get minus 16. So also we know occur. So we fell into this range minus 16 to 15. So not overflow underflow occurs. So a is positive 10 minus b is minus 6. So we know that minus minus is getting plus. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So it's not fails into the range of minus 16 to plus 15. So it gets the plus 16. So it's occurred the overflow or underflow. 2 into b means 2 into b means minus 6. So minus 12 is also falls into the range of minus 16 to plus 15. So not occur the overflow underflow. So option C, a minus b is occurs the overflow uh, underflow. So thanks for watching. If you need this type of question, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.